Yes, to another session here in search of the social contract, and sifisa ukuveza emva komsebenzi o behind the scenes ebekade siwenza siyindlulamithi NPO kanye nama structures esisebenzisana nawo emphakathini. Sifisa ukuveza i-concern that we are coming up to notice and pick up from a point of view yaga skills development, coaching and mentoring that we are about as Indlulamiti NPO, ukuthi the people that we wish to empower who are involved with local township economy are not legal in terms of having licenses to operate and do business, and therefore are prejudiced from qualifying even from their own government of the Republic of South Africa's government benefits that would help them ukuthi bathole ama-grants, ama-loans and skills development training, simply because they do not meet our requirements or some of the requirements that are associated with municipal special planning and zoning and other requirements that are a responsibility of omasipala basekhaya. So we are aware that during a crisis period, uphenyo liyaveza olusesilu vundululile siyindlulamithi NPO ukuthi we do have a history la crisis ka COVID-19 which had a lockdown eyayithi abantu abangahambi without permit emgaqweni kwi-public, and because of ukubaluleka kwama-spaza shop owners or abantu abama-key players kwi-township economy, it became necessary ukuthi banikezwe ama-special permits, and that was helpful ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthola ukudla emphakathini. Lokho kwaphela uma ngabe sekuhambe i-COVID-19. So we have a situation where the majority, it would seem, of abantu who are informal traders, who are small business operators, who are spaza shop owners, who are key participants local township economy or rural economy or informal settlement economy, players there are deemed as illegal players ezweni lo babamkhulu bawo, and you find ukuthi i-legislation yase South Africa, imithetho yase South Africa originally ibekelwe ukuthi icheme nabantu abakade bengahlomuli kwezomnotho, akade bengahlomuli ekwazini ukuzithuthukisa njengabantu akumele bakwazi ukuthi baziphilise nemindeni yabo, besebenzisa izikhwepha zabo, besebenzisa ama-investments wabo, besebenzisa isikhathi sabo, besebenzisa ama-resources zabo ukuthi bakwazi ukutrader ukuze babe abantu abakwazi ukuziphilisa, bakwazi ukuthi ba-ede kwi-income abanayo through informal trading, through small business operations. Labo bantu laba abakwazi ukuthi bakwenze lokho, balekelele ukuthuthuka kwe-South Africa, balekelele ukulwa nokuntuleka kwemisebenzi, balekelele ukulwa nokuntuleka kwamathuba ukuthi abantu babambe iqhaza kwezomnotho. Abakwazi ukwenza lokho meaningfully, especially uma ngabe bengakwazi ukwazi uku-accessa imali ezifana lezi zingabasiza ekuthenini bathole istock or ba-improve indlela abasebenza ngayo or ba-improve indlela aba-operator ngayo ukuze umsebenzi wabo uye phambili. And loko akuyona into engekho, into ekhona, into esi-advertise-iwe iwombe eziningi uhulumeni wabo usebenzisa u-Small Business Development Agency okuwuhlelo oluhle, olu-credible, olumangalisayo, olu-welcomed and olu-beneficial potentially, that is, kubantu base-South Africa uma ngabe kungasuswa izingqinamba ezenza ukuthi abantu bangakwazi ukuthola usizo lolu abalidinga kangaka ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bathole istock, bathole i-training kwi-sound management, sound income and expenditure keeping practices and sound business practices ezizokwenza ukuthi umsebenzi wabo ube meaningful, uye phambili, bawabona ama-profit abawenzayo, bakwazi ukuziqasha, bakwazi ukuqasha iy'ngane zabo, bakwazi ukuqasha iy'hlobo zabo, bakwazi ukuqasha abantu bemphakathi babo abantulayo who can help ekuthenini barane iy'tolo zabo ezincanyana, amabhizinisi abo amancanyana awumgogodla e-local township economy. So we have a situation where kubalulekile ukuthi omasipala, I'm glad ukuthi lento sisho kwi-program yethu In Search of the Social Contract, la sazi khona ukuthi omasipala babhekele baranwa ngokubambisana nama-political parties amele abantu. So government legislation must be in favor of the people in line of the social contract. Isivumelwano esisenzayo uma sinvotela ninabantu enimele thina emkhandlwini yomasipala ukuthi masinivotela sisuke sikhuluma ngezinto ezikanje ukuthi imithetho yama-bylaws, imithetho yomasipala ivune ukukwazi, icheme ukukwazi ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi bazibambe ngamazinyo, bakwazi ukwenza basic things like ukwenza small business operations are legal, azobenza ukuthi babantu babe qualified ukuthola government resources that are important ekuthenini i-local economy i-thrive, iye phambili, i-develope, nabo bazibone bekwazi nanokuthi ngelinye ilanga umuntu angagcini ene-spaza shop kuphela because of imali akwazi ukuyenza ngazo i-spaza shop, azithole se-investor in other forms of business, ese-diversifier, eseba-involved mhlambe ku-transportation or eseba-involved kokunye kokwakha insipho, kokwakha noma yini engaba useful emphakathini, whether kuyona spaza shop or kweminye kwamanye ama-sectors that are relevant to i-development ye-economy kanye nama-players that are involved in the economy. So it would seem ukuthi-ke kune-challenge enkulu ekudingeka ukuthi in search of the township, in search of the social contract, ilungise ukuthi si-highlight ngaso sonke isikhathi over and over again ukuthi one of the few players who are able to bring about change ekuthenini abantu bazibone be-involved noma bebamba iqhaza kwi-township economy is being affected by ukungabi khona kwama-township licenses, and that has got to do with the municipal legislation, bylaws that prevent people from being able to get business licenses, to be able ukuthi babe ingxenye ye-local township economy. Indlulamthi NPO, my name is Siphiwe Mkhize. Cheers.